I'm Charlenice. Welcome to Dreams R Us YouTube channel. I have my little basket here. We're gonna pick us some peaches. As you can see, this beautiful peach tree right here that my husband planted and babied and took care of and did all the things that he be telling you about on his YouTube channel. So we are going to pick some peaches. So are they all ordered? Pick any of them?
And the ones that's the reddest ones.
So these are all of the peaches that we picked off of our peach tree. We're gonna have to take them inside, wash them up really good, and maybe make a peach cobbler.